So here is how you can mark up images on WhatsApp on the iPhone or on Android. It's going to work the same on any phone. So let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So the first step is to, of course, get to the WhatsApp app as usual, and you can see all of the chats and everything that is in here. And the point of marking up the images is that, let's say somebody sends you a photo, right? They send you a picture and you want to say, or you want to point to something on that image, right? So you don't want to explain what exactly you mean, but you want to say, or you want to say it visually, basically, right? So they say an image, they send this one from their airplane, for example. I want to point out some specific cloud or something, right? The point is that I can make the image full screen and tap on the pencil icon like this. And right now I can click on the pencil again and I can use the color picker, right? So I can choose, let's say that I'm going to pick the red color so it's easily visible, and I can choose the thickness of the pen below. But the point is that I can visually say what I mean, right? So when I click on it like this, you can see that I can draw in an arrow or something, or even go back if I don't like it. And now, as you can see, I have pointed out what I mean in that image. So when I hit done, I basically have the same picture still within the chat, and I can send it back with the markup added. So let's say I'm going to type in that this is what I mean, right? Right, this is it. I'm gonna send it back, and as you can see, the image gets sent once again, but this time it contains the markup, so I can clearly explain what I'm talking about, and that is the whole point of this feature. So this is actually very useful, as I say, if you want to point out something about the image visually, not through the description of text, but just like that. So I hope that I was able to explain it to you properly. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.